Alright guys, so I just got these new replacement toothbrush heads for my Oral B Braun toothbrush. So we're just going to test these out and see if they work just as good as the ones that came with my original toothbrush. They're the exact same size. I feel like everything looks pretty identical. I want to show you real quick what it looks like when it's on as well. So yeah, looks just like the original, oscillates back and forth like that. The bristles are soft. So let's try it out. So this is what it looks like after using it once and then rinsing it off. Looks pretty much the same. Of course, it's going to get some wear over time, but the bristles were soft, very comfortable to use while brushing my teeth. Works just like the original, so I recommend it.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.